Good morning. Juvenile Justice Care and Protection Act may also be one of the subject in which questions may be asked if you attend All India Bar examination as well as judicial examination. Recently, AR 2022 Supreme Court 4771 Vinod Katara vs. State of UP. The Supreme Court held that for proving the age, determination of age, school certificate and document alone would help. Therefore, the family register of Panchayat shall not be accepted, and further ossification test was also bone ossification test also should be secondary in nature, advisory in nature. Therefore, it's not binding on the court. For all to understand all this, you can very well go through the judgment and keep it on file. And understand Section 7A, Juvenile Justice Act rules. All these things should be, a glance should be done for preparation of these examinations. Okay. Then question of Transfer of Property Act. Transfer of Property Act based upon a doctrine called as Nemo dat quod non habet. That means you cannot transfer the property which you did not have ownership. That was the Transfer of Property Act, which was brought into force 1882. But actually, what was the history of Transfer of Property Act was the common law process being prevailed in all over India is being consolidated and regulated. Therefore, when the Act was enacted, it was based upon principle of English law and equity. Then they say the enactment was brought only to bring specific statutory provisions on the property matters and to regulate. Initially, the Act was passed in the year 1882, 17th February. So kindly, thereafter 1885, there was an amendment brought into force on 1st July 1882. Initially, there were, at the time of enacting this act, there were B states and other states. Therefore, the act extended time to time to the entire area. Then you see the major important portion according to Transfer of Property Act deals with the term testimonium. That means any document should be attested by two witnesses, and what all are the restrictions, how the execution of Pardanashini woman to be executed, how blind woman should be, how his execution should be attested. All these things are there in testimonium column. Then the question arises, what all are the movable property, what all are the immovable property? And there you have to apply your mind. I will give you the one question was that this is not immovable property, it is standing timber, growing crops or grass. So that is important. Then attested means two or more witnesses. Then I will stop here because this much only help you, and I will come with specific provisions of other acts slowly. Then again I will come, because otherwise you should not be boarded with subjects on one particular subject, because you have to answer multi number of acts and answer while you are attending All India Bar examination as well the judicial examination while attending objective type. I hope you understand. Best wishes.